today I'm going to present you my new sweater. Okay. Today I present you I got a gift. The gift that my mom gave me. Yep, it's pretty cool. So let's see what's inside. You look first. Isn't it cool? Whoa! Okay, that was nothing. Pretend there was nothing. Oh my goodness, there's like goodie bags in here. Let's put that back on. And today I'm going to, I know, it's just a lantern. I know. But, wouldn't it be cool if we looked inside like before? Ugh. And there's a button over here that glows. Is it going? Right here. I don't think if you can see it, but it's glowing. Can we open this and how do I close it out? Press this button. And, oh, nothing. And we have this ginormous gift! Inside it, it's a pretty cool lantern. We can make this glow and open this gift at any time. It's kind of like a Barbie shelf. It's time to open our first gift. Actually, why not wait to the second video? I'm just kidding. We're opening this now. What's the first one? Can you take it out? I'm so excited to see what's the first one. First box. Oh, oops, I broke it. Remember not to break it. No thanks. Oh, that's just my babysitter. She just... What's this? It's a moon cake. You know I hate moon cakes. But... all of them is the same, I guess. Let's see if they really are the same. Or they more goodie bags inside. Oops. Oops. Dropped it. Oh my goodness, I'm breaking it so bad. I'll break this goodie bag. Yep, it is another moon cake. So the rest of the video is moon cake time. I'll just store them in here. You know what this is for? My secret. I can just hide all these moon cakes in here. And they'll never know that all the moon cakes are in here. Put on the cap. There's a secret moon cake in here. And you can just take out the moon cake and it's like a secret bag. And if you like the video, comment down below. Leave a like if you love moon cake, and then we'll give you a moon cake.